Defend the mountaintop, 11 down, 1 to go. Gentlemen, we have reached the culmination of our journey. We take the field at MetLife on Saturday in search of another state championship. Standing on the other side is a team we have seen before. Ridgewood is looking to avenge their loss from last season. We knocked them out on our way to the pinnacle last year. They are coming to the stadium with vengeance in mind. Ridgewood is a disciplined, well-coached football team. They do an excellent job of exploiting the mistakes of their opponents. Attention to alignment and assignment are the keys to success this week. We must have all gaps covered and we cannot get outflanked. Stay focused on those things. Don't pay attention to all the noise surrounding this game. You know what you are capable of. Trust yourself, trust your teammates, trust the scheme. Most of all, trust your coaches. Play loose, play hard, play fast. Do what you've been coached to do. Watch the magic number disappear and reign supreme once more as state champions.